We were just off air for a minute.
Come on, sounds good.
CMG has arrived. They're going to have to move into this crowd. Oh.
It's the east, huh? That whole group at the back of the white SUV is chucking stuff at the units on the south side of the mall.
Order on.
Caught him in the corner of my eye, and then he hit me 2 more times just now. 240 Alpha for your green.
They're surrounding and jumping on top of the Bearcat.
Yeah, I'm right over him right now.
Is TPD still here? TPD still here?
Life 3, clear to Bravo, departure at your own risk from the non-movement area there, wind 140 at 5, sample timber 3005.
They're trying to get into the Fashion Superstore to your east.
SO3, go ahead.
Okay, yeah, we're with you here.
Alright, we're still working at 2,000 or above.
Crew's over to your wrecking ball, so we're down here just looking to see if we see anything of interest.
We have them on camera. You can see them on the downlink. They're working on the windows. Looks like they're making entrance now. They're in the store.
Hang on a second. Nine nine five. We're over at 1015 with the guy who made entrance out of the mall.
Have anybody in vehicles, anybody that's mobile that could come over here to shut down 22 and Fowler?
Hillsborough X-ray Charlie 1. I'll go over there. Line members, I think, have an eyeball on
West side. And everything from 22 eastbound is where this gridlock is coming from.
Yeah, that's why I asked for that to happen an hour ago.
Yeah.
It's only 22nd Street to close eastbound traffic.
Good, people get run over.